So, well, I'm gonna be playing some Vader Immortal, as you can see. So, you better like and subscribe. Chapter select, Windfall confirm. I'm gonna be playing some Vader Immortal. This is gonna be episode 1 for this video. And a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away.
We better move it, Captain. The Hutts want their spice back. We gotta jump to hyperspace or we're dead.
Okay.
Come on, flip the bypass switches for the hyperdrive. All right, hyperdrive controls are active. Make the jump to light speed.
Okay, ma'am.
Nice one, Captain. Oh, that never gets old. As soon as we offload these spice crates at Shadow Market, we are sitting pretty.
Okay.
You know, maybe then you can make those repulsor lift upgrades you've been promising me forever.
Got it.
You know, and forever.
Got it.
And ever. You know, it looks like we're going to be in hyperspace for a while here, so feel free to go back and check our loot. You name it. Sky's the limit.
Oh, what's this? Oh my gosh, Chewbacca's
is
weapon.
A Wookiee bowcaster. Handcrafted.
Nah, he stole it from Chewbacca.
Ah, some of our previous and future ports of call. Oh, scrag. Looks like we took some damage back there. While I try to reroute the power, why don't you go ahead and scan the ship?
Okay. Okay, that's damaged.
Well, looks like the main sensor antenna's been damaged. Alright, let's switch to backup. Okay, let's do the next one. Switching to defense systems. Well, the deflector shields are totally offline. One more hit and we would have been toast.
Yeah.
Let's shut them down until we can get them repaired.
What's going on?
Something's wrong, Captain. Let's go check it out. Galaxy? That's impossible. Something's pulled us out of hyperspace and put us down in the Atreus sector.
Oh my god.
We're in the outer
rim.
rim.
Look up there. See, man. Look up there. Oh my god.
That doesn't look like any Star Destroyer that I've ever seen.
I
How did they snag
know.
us?
I don't
This
know.
is Admiral Carius of the Galactic Empire. Surrender control of your ship immediately.
No.
This is ZOE3, first mate on the Windfall. Zoe to my friends. There must be
Don't
some
give them
mistake.
control.
Admiral, the Windfall is a humble salvage vessel.
Any sort of immediate compliance will result in your destruction.
My bad, Admiral. Sorry about that. Slaving our ship's guidance to your Imperial control now. Oh, scrag. Well, we didn't do anything that bad. Whoa! Whoa, that looks like Mustafar. Mustafar's a mining planet. Why are the Imperials taking us there? a bad feeling about this, Captain.
Looks amazing. They look bad. They're pointing guns at us.
This is Admiral Carius. Present your ship for inspection.
No.
You know, I'm getting the feeling they're onto us. I'll hide the credit chips. You wipe the ship's nav lock.
Once, we will board your ship on board. Civilian ship. Open your door.
I'm officially worried, Captain.
Open your door.
Just a moment. Sorry, we're having... Oh! Hi. A thousand...
Don't move, scum!
You've caused us considerable inconvenience, smuggler.
Smugglers? Who said we were
Silence
smugglers?
destroyed.
Smugglers.
Take them both to the holding cells.
I've been zapped. Tranquilized.
You're awake. Good. My name is Admiral Carius. In a moment, Darth Vader, Lord of this monolith,
I
will
don't
give you a
care
task
about
at which you will
you.
undoubtedly fail.
No, I won't
A
fail.
word of advice. Do not anger Vader.
Swear if I have to open the
loathe
thingy.
cleaning these cells after interrogation. Cooperate, and I promise you a merciful death in ease.
What's that? I don't know.
You are not the first candidate to fall under his scrutiny, and you will likely not be the last.
Hi there, Vader. Can I
wonder
take your
why I have brought you
lightsaber?
here. You are required to perform one simple task.
Where'd that come from?
Open this configuration, and I will spare your life.
Okay.
Do as Lord Vader says.
It's not letting me. What the heck? Hold up. It's bugged for me. I had to restart. I had to go back to the main menu. Resume. Well, we're back to here.
You're awake.
You've already
Good.
said this.
My name is Admiral Carius. In a moment, Darth Vader, Lord of this monolith, will give you a task at which you will undoubtedly fail. A word of advice. Do not anger Vader. I loathe cleaning these cells after interrogation. Cooperate, and I promise you a merciful death when he's through with you.
Okay.
You are not the first candidate to fall under his scrutiny, and you will likely not be the last.
wonder why I have brought you here. You are required to perform one simple task.
Okay.
Open this configuration, and I will spare your life.
How do I open it? I can.
By the core.
But you're not getting it back. Hide it behind my back.
This is
Darn
the one I've been
it.
searching for.
How
Voice
do you
ID.
know that?
Admiral Gable Carius.
I will send for you shortly.
You! Come closer, here! Come here, they mustn't hear us! You open the art.
Well, guys, I'm gonna have to leave this on for part 1. So, bye bye.